Hello, let us set up OneSignal notification in CiyaShop iOS application. Open OneSignal website. Log into your account of OneSignal. Click on Add New App button. Add app name. Click on Create button. Select the preferred platform as Apple iOS. Click on Next button. Upload Production P12 certificate to OneSignal project. Upload Distribution P12 certificate to OneSignal project. Click on Save button. Select Native iOS as target SDK. Click on Next button. As currently there is no device registered in OneSignal, you will not find any device. Close Edit dialog of OneSignal app. Click on Setting tab. Here you can check your certificate details and check all apps that are in OneSignal. Click on Keys and IDs tab. Here you will get your OneSignal app ID and its detail. Copy OneSignal app ID. Open CiyaShop project in Xcode. Open appdelegate.m file. Replace your OneSignal app ID with the code. Click on the project target. In the project target tab there is CiyaShop notification. Click on it. Here set up bundles identifier and provisioning certificate for push notification service of OneSignal. Run CiyaShop application into a device. To send the notification, it is required to run the application into a physical device, because simulator does not support push notification service. Once the application is successfully run into device, open Signal One website and click on Users tab. Here you can check all the registered devices. Now click on the Messages tab. Click on the New Push button. Select the audience. Enter message title and other detail. Set up other options for your message. Click on Confirm button at the bottom of the page. Then click on Send Message button. Now check the notification in the device. Here you can see that the notification that we have sent from OneSignal is display on the device. By click on the notification, it will just redirect to the application.